Hi guys, it is day 2 here in Dubrovnik. My GoPro is strapped away in my bag, as is my camera, ready to get on the boat, which we're going to do today. So I'm going to do this boat tour, hence why I'm filming this clip on my phone. As soon as I'm on the boat, I'll get my camera and stuff out, just keeping it packed away. But yeah, it is boiling and it is only 9 AM. It's not that hot, but the sun makes it a lot hotter when it's directly on you. And look at this place, absolutely beautiful, as I said in my clips last night. Meeting at 9, it's 8:50 something at the moment. So yeah, let's see what the boat's like when it gets here.
This is the no road.
The boat tour now. Over there, just beyond that rock, is the old town of Dubrovnik. This is the island of, is it Lepud? Locum Island. An island off of Dubrovnik, which is apparently very good for walking and has a couple restaurants on. Nobody's allowed to spend the night on it, they have to get boats back, is what I read on Google. But there's a massive cave on the other side, which you would have seen in the cinematic clips. But absolutely beautiful place. The sea's a bit choppy today, which is a bit scary, got a bit wet, but I don't really care. Dubrovnik up behind me now, and a yacht. Yeah, beyond there, the wall place is the old town, and you've got more of the modern stuff over here with all the resorts. The old town is very medieval, very old, which makes it quite incredible. They built it all around that outcrop in the way they did over there. Really stunning, and very interesting historically as well. So I just got off the boat, walking around this nice little coastline area here. Very summery, kind of tropical. The sea is an incredibly blue colour. I've got an hour and a half to explore by myself before I'm meeting the guy back at the boat, to then head back. Got loads of photos and videos of the boat. As you saw, I went in the sea. So I had to split logo there, don't know what that's to do with. Might get an ice cream or something and head to this sandy beach over here where I might dip in the sea again. Not really sure, but yeah, just going to explore this little island area.
cobrando y mala actitud. Así dijimos cuando hablábamos de tú a tú. Yeah, dijimos que solo era para eso. Pusimos reglas en nuestro menú. Yo no te pido que me des toda la vida, solo un minuto, mamacita, tenerte. Me pone loco cuando estás de vestida y creo que lo haces pa' que yo te recuerde. 24/7 está ready, pa' que los dos rompamos la dieta. Tú desnuda si te ves bien deli, como chantilly y un par de fresas. No se lo pero sin tu instinto, que entre menos de te sepa es mejor. Solo dile que somos amigos, lo que yo te hago.
I've walked all the way around the side of this island right now, beyond the sandy beach, taken a bunch of photos, some of myself which will go on my Instagram. I think I'm a bit in the shade here. There we go. Yeah, imagine just getting a boat and living here. It'd be so nice. Don't know what it's like in winter, but in summer it's like the perfect place to live and just get a boat, go out every day. Yeah, unfortunately the cost of living and the wages here aren't very good, so from that point of view it wouldn't be a nice place to live in, but from the just summer view and swimming the sea point of view, wow, what a place it would be to spend your summer. Only here for 5 days, 4 whole days here. I'm leaving on Monday. It is currently Friday. I keep forgetting the day. Yeah, I need to head back to the boat now, then we'll head back towards Dubrovnik. I don't know what we're doing for the rest of the day, but we'll figure that out. Oh, hold on, I've got a SEGWAY tour this evening, so that's something. I've forgotten about that, but yeah, let's head back towards the boat. Yeah. Very windy. Over there, famous Dubrovnik Bridge. Don't know much about it, I just know what I've seen on Google. I don't even have the microphone on my camera right now, so I don't know if it's going to pick up this audio very well. Using the internal microphone. Oh, wow, getting choppy. So it's going up really high and crashing down, big waves. Makes it more fun though. I can't remember what he said, Lapad, the Bay of Lapad, and that ship behind us is leaving right now. We've been, as you would have seen, we've been doing segways for the past, I don't know, half an hour or so. Learn how to do it, it's really fun. Terrifying at the same time, but very fun. And we've got this bridge in the background now, the famous bridge of Dubrovnik. I don't know the name of it, but apparently it's 22 years old, and that is the shortest river in the world over 30 meters long. But before that bridge was built, you had to do a 20-minute diversion when driving to get in and out of Dubrovnik, which is why they made the bridges. It makes it so much more convenient driving. Yeah, what a view. I suppose there's a bit off for it. You've seen it already, what a view.
above Coral Beach right now, and it looks like the Maldives. The colourful water is so blue. I'd love to go down there and visit it some other day if we're able to get here. Currently we can get bus number 6 or a taxi. Taxi would be easier, just more expensive. And come back and shoot more of this view and just spend the day on the beach down there would be brilliant. Yeah, we've come here at the right time. We've got golden hour here, so I'm getting some very good photos.